Welcome everyone, welcome to Aroma's Kitchen, and we are here with the new recipe. And this is a vegetarian, vegan and very popular at my restaurant Aroma. So it's Aloo Matar, and I will show you how to make. It's a very simple 3 steps, and this is very popular in our restaurant. So I'm going to show you 3 simple steps and you can get it. And please keep watching my channels, and I come up with very simple Indian recipes that you can make it always at home. Thank you. Alright, so we are making today matar. Matar means green peas and potatoes, so aloo matar. So I have a 1 ball of green peas, so you can take half or full, but the one is really good. It's so yummy, you can enjoy. And I have 4 potatoes, so medium size 4 potatoes, 1 green chili, 1 small piece of ginger, 1 whole tomato, and 1 onion. So it's like a medium size onion, and you can use half too. And if you don't want onions, you can actually take the whole onion out. It's very simple, so you can add or take, so it's really easy. So I have the coriander powder, and I have 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder. I have a black pepper, 1 teaspoon. I have a 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Salt is always your like a taste. You want more or low, you can always play with it. I have a garam masala, that's a 1 teaspoon, and I have a turmeric powder, I have a 1 teaspoon. So this one you don't need to put too much, because then you will get a very yellowish color. So you need like a brownish, like a gravy brownish color with the onions. Okay, so we will start the method, and I just wanted to let you know that everything I have, this is all you needed, and obviously a little bit oil. Okay, so I got the onion, I got the tomatoes, I got the ginger and the green chili. I showed you the ingredients that what we needed to make the aloo matar. So onion, tomato, green chili, and the ginger, not the garlic. So this is 4 ingredients we needed. So I'm going to blend everything together and show you how we can do it. Okay, so I blend everything: onions, green chili, ginger, and tomato. So I blend everything together, and you can see the nice thick paste. So we got this ready, and we have the green peas ready. Now I will show you like how I need my potatoes. So you can keep the way you want it, but I just always do this size, not too big, not too small. So this is what I like it to. So if it's too small, then just do the 2 pieces. So like this size, we can do 3 pieces, half from basically 4, yes, so 3 pieces. This is like a small, so I'm just going to do 2. Alright, so this is ready, basically everything ready. Now the second part to start we can cook everything together. So let's do it. Okay, so I got the medium pan, and the flame needs to be a little bit high, not too high, but a little bit high. So I got the avocado oil, and you can use any oil, whatever at home, it's convenient, so you can use anything. Not too much, but we still need a little bit more oil than regular. So basically, like I'm going to use a 4 tablespoons of oil. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can do a little bit more, because the green peas, potatoes, like aloo matar, needs a little bit more oil. So we got the oil is start getting hot, and you can see it's not that much oil. Now it's time to add the grind green chili, onions, tomato, and ginger. So I'm going to add everything here. This dish is so yummy, and it's really good for the vegetarian people, and we love it. It's so good, very healthy. Okay, so it starts cooking right now. So we need to wait until it gets a little bit brown, golden color. So then I can add. So aloo matar, we always need to cook potatoes because the potato take a little bit longer. The green peas is very end. When everything is ready, potato is cooked. You can see it's a thick, nice sauce. Then at the end, because you want the green color. So if you cook too much, the green peas, it's changed to a different color. It's like a dark green or like a brownish color. So you need a fresh, like a fresh look. So always at the end, just add the green peas and just for 5 minutes let it cook, and that's it, it's ready. So very simple, very unique, and very yummy dish. So it's getting cooked really good and it's getting brown. So I'm going to add the potatoes. So potato will cook with everything because it's take a little bit longer. So it's always just let it cook maybe 2 minutes and then just start adding the potatoes. So now you can see the potatoes start cooking, and I'm going to add the spices in it. So everything start cooking together. So the black pepper, salt, coriander powder, garam masala, turmeric powder. So this everything is inside now. We just let it cook. I'm going to add a little bit water. So I will show you. I always rinse this thing and just add a little bit water, maybe 4 tablespoons of water. So I add everything, all the spices in it, potato is inside, and I'm going to let it cook for at least 5 to 10 minutes because we need the potatoes to cook. Okay, so I'm going to cover this and turn the stove a little bit in a medium and just let it cook. So we'll come back and check that it's ready. Okay, so now it's been 10 to 15 minutes, so let's check and see if the potato is cooked. So potatoes looks really good, and I think they are very well cooked. Okay, so you can see it's cooked, and now so you can see the oil is coming and the oil bubbling, and potato is very well cooked. Okay, so now I have a half cup of water. So I'm going to add the half cup of water, then the green peas, and let it cook for 5 more minutes, and it's ready. So basically just follow the 3 steps: ingredients, spices, potatoes, and cooked, and then it's ready. So you can see that the water it's not too liquid. It's really nice and thick sauce. So now I'm going to add the green peas. So it's ready, and I'm going to add mix together. If you see, it's such a nice color. The green and potatoes all looks so good. So I'm going to cover the pan and let it cook for 5 minutes, and the heat I can turn a little bit higher. Not medium, but a little bit more. So now we have to let it cook 5 minutes and then come back and check and probably ready, and then I can dish out and try and how the flavor is. Okay. So it's been 5 minutes, so I'm going to turn the stove low and open the lid. Okay, it's nice. So you can see it's ready. It looks so yummy. Okay, so I'm going to turn the stove off and I'm going to try a little bit and see how the taste is. So basically you don't need too much water in it, so it's like a nice thick sauce. So it's ready and I'm going to cover and I'm going to try a little bit, so how the taste is. Okay, so I got the in my plate. I know you guys was thinking it's very little, but I'm going to eat. I'm going to make some rice and eat with the rice. So aloo matar is ready, and now I'm going to try. Yummy, very yummy, and you can feel that green. Still, it's green. The green peas and the potato is very cooked, really good. It's really tasty, and you can eat with rice, with bread, naan bread, roti, aloo paratha, anything you like, but it tastes so good. Pure vegetarian, vegan, and always really good to make simple. And I'm making all those videos very simple. Follow these 3 steps. I make the Indian food very easy for you guys, so everybody can enjoy and make it at home. And I want that has that feeling that you know how much we put effort to make at Aroma. So please do subscribe my channel and like my videos, so you will get the new videos with the new recipes, yummy recipes, easy recipes for vegetarian, vegan and non-vegetarian people. So all varieties of foods we offering, and you know, giving you guys the recipes to try on. So if you can't make it, please come to Aroma, 715 East 12300 South, Draper, Utah, and we can make it for you. And please subscribe my channel so you get the new videos with the new yummy recipe. Thank you so much for watching my channel.